Oh my God. What's good, my friends? Welcome back to another day. I am on my way down to the comedy compound and we're preparing to film a prank for Tom's channel. Tom and I just came to get some brunch at Waffle House. That was very good. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Is this one of those if you see something, say something scenarios?
I don't know. Wow, I don't know.
Alright, we just got over to Tom's place. We're returning a prop from the Santa prank.
Yeah.
Yeah. The throne.
Ginger. We'll set it up for the kids.
Alrighty. So we just got up here to Eventualities. This is the place where we get a lot of prank props, like big stuff like this, like the Santa throne. And yeah, we gotta return all this stuff. All these props gotta be returned. So we're up here at the prop house.
Oh, did you put that there? Yeah, that's it. Okay, good. And where are these?
Just in the thing's fine.
They have everything here. You guys got everything
Yes.
Give it just.
It looks like a bunch of junk,
She likes
and
to
people,
make some videos.
but you pull it out, you put it together, and
Oh,
it
yeah.
works.
Like a Statue of Liberty. That's cool.
My favorite piece is my 14-foot Eiffel Tower.
That, the Eiffel Tower.
And I really like to put them outside and put a light on it.
That's awesome.
Just going down here next to this other red carpet. Before I hit the ground. And it even hurt worse than I thought it was. My kitchen set we built for
Oh, they got rooms and rooms.
State
Do you
Fair.
really? Wow.
The whole back row is backdrops, is flats, theater flats.
Oh,
When I
cool.
started doing this stuff 100,000 years ago, everything was very flat. But then with the coming of age
cactus.
of gay decorators, it became dimensional and fluffy.
Oh, I see. I see. Y'all
You
look
know
at.
what? I've
Whoa.
got 92 different columns. I've even got black leather ones. If we ever have an S&M convention, I'm assuming.
Well, we could see other videos over here.
Those were actually made for Norton Healthcare, though.
This is cool.
Yeah. We can use those for coolers, or we can stack stuff on them. These trees come out and they have metal things.
I'm trying
These
to
are bar
recreate a, and I did it with green. We went over. We're gonna do it on green screen, but I'm trying to create. I need to shoot in a video store. I need to shoot in a video store. So the day we just went over.
You need to meet Kirk, Albrecht, Kilbrecht, that own Video Bread.
Oh, I know those guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, when I got a green screen too at my place, I just thought I really like to shoot inside a real video store after closing. Everybody, well,
You mean a phone store?
Huh?
You mean a phone store?
A phone store. Well, what did I say? A phone
Video store.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
phone store. Phone store. Like
That's why I went to video. 97,735 pieces of stuff.
97,000 pieces of stuff.
$1.2 million value. You want to buy it?
Not right now. But
Oh, I love these
goodness.
barrels, Diane. I love the barrels.
That's really cool
Well,
too.
those are cocktail. They do different things. Sometimes they'll put upside down in a garbage can. Put a fork there, guys.
Have a good day. Alright, so we just got back to the... I got peppermint in my mouth. Alright, so we just got back to the comedy compound. Dropping off prank props and getting lunch and stuff. What you doing?
I'm sending Rex Haven some checks, and I'm trying to do a little Christmas shopping on Amazon. And,
Doing some Christmas shopping?
yeah, Kenzie wants electronics. She wants some accessories for her cameras and whatnot.
Nice.
I want to get her her laptop is getting full. I want to get her like a terabyte
Hard drive for it?
like we're using there, but
Yep.
maybe something not as nice, but something she could back up. She takes so many pictures on her phone. Ooh, I see some things here that I would like to have. Another generator for the garage. But I won't get it because no one buys me anything. That's right, every year it's that. One year they totally forgot to get me something.
Really?
I kid you not. She's like, I didn't think you just bought that thing. I'm like, it's okay, it's about the kids.
Thank you for lunch, good sir.
You're welcome.
And I will, you gonna be in here tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right, squad, I just got home. I got like 10,000 things to do today. Just picked up this monitor for the prank I'm shooting on the weekend. I can't say a lot about it because I don't want to give it away. I'm uploading today's vlog, doing some laundry, some household chores stuff. I got a bunch of stuff to unload from the car now. So, whoo, lot to do. All right. Oh, I got everything accomplished. Now I'm on my way to pick up Ava from school. We're gonna head down, hang out with my sister, and go run some errands, get some holiday shopping done, so we can check that off the list. And yeah, whew, it is it's a very productive day. Very productive day. Very busy, and yeah, that's a good thing though. It's a good kind of busy. All right. So first off, how was your day at school?
Good.
It's good to see you. I missed you since lunch on, was it Monday I came to lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Missed ya. Did you have fun at school today?
Yeah. I had art and music.
So Ava brought me a present from school. And one for her mom too. So I'm gonna open it right now. It feels soft. Whoa, cool pillow. That's awesome. Look at that. I love it. Did you do this?
Mm-hmm.
That's great. Thank you. You know where we'll have to put this? Put this like under the Christmas tree, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Since it has a Christmas tree on it. That's awesome. Thank you. I love it. Thanks, babe.
Can I play on the playground because I really needed a short?
Well, we're going to meet Sasha and Scarlett, right? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Nice boots. You have a billy goat complex? What's standing up there?
I don't have man to be blurred out.
You weren't blurred out of the last one.
Now you
Alright, so the girls are over here playing on the playground, and I think we're gonna go get some dinner and run some errands. Oh my God. Oh God.
did you get that?
Oh yeah, I got that. That's so bad. Oh. Oh, don't do it again. Don't do it again. Don't. Don't you dare. Oh God. Oh, don't do it. Oh, don't do it.
You want the video of it, man?
What just happened?
Right side and there was nothing, so I was like, okay.
It's so funny. You
I
want to?
felt bad laughing. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
You want to see the video?
And I was like, it's not even that bad. start looking like some happy.
That was rough.
Is there any way, would you be able to email or send that to me?
Yeah, I can send you a link.
Oh,
man. Yeah.
yes. Yeah. You do his videos, bro.
Hold on, wait. So you
Dope
battle
16?
rap?
Yeah, Dope 16.
Yeah.
You remember Woody
That's-
Six Spitter?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my sister, bro.
Nah, he
Well,
just
not
be
blood,
on there,
but-
like,
yeah.
just be on there.
Yeah.
He kills it. Yeah, he got bars. Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Back, and I heard it say boom. And then you went forward, and it's and I was just like, whoa.
Thanks for the entertainment, guys.
See y'all.
Alright, have a good day. Hey, you got any, have you still up to date doing that stuff still? Or?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I looked at you I kept looking up like, I know this guy, I just don't know that.
It's cool, man. Y'all have a good one. Lavos. Is it lavos? To wash? Yeah, wash your hands. Lavos las manos?
You mean water?
No, lavos, like to wash. I think that's how you say it in Spanish. I don't know. Wash your hands.
Like that, you're gonna trip and fall. It's not a good idea. Pull up your pants.
I was gonna do.
It's an extremely fancy dentist office there. That's where I got my dental surgery. Yeah. So Sasha locked her keys in the house, so we're getting spare keys. Well done, well done. Alright, so we're all getting some dinner up here at
I can't resist.
getting some dinner up here at Skyline Chili. Come sit down, miss.
This.
Why don't you save it? You can buy from someone at World Market.
Yeah, we're going to the store where you can buy cool things.
So I'm gonna save this one and do
Okay, you gonna
this.
save the other quarter? Okay, get your one
I
thing.
can't get this.
Here. It's because you gotta turn it.
Oh.
There you go. Now twist it. Let's see what you get.
Make sure you rub your push
Twisting.
pop on the other vending machines. It's trash. No, it's not.
Sasha's being funny. Correction, those are churros. That is quite a strange assortment of stained glass there. Spider and two creepy clowns. Huh. Off we go. What are you goons doing?
But where's that?
Don't put that in your mouth, Scarlett.
Where's the electric thing?
What electric things?
Where your skin.
Let's see. That's awesome.
I'm gonna surprise it. Guys, what's butt news?
All right, we just got home, and now we're getting ready to light the candles for the 4th night of Hanukkah. All right, hang on. Okay, so we'll take the shamus candle and light it first, and we use this to light the others. The first night, second night, third night, and tonight is the 4th night.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy 4th night of Hanukkah. What's up, bros?
To the worst person.
Good. All right. Today was a great day, but tomorrow is going to be even better. See you then. Remember to stay positive and laugh at life.